Welcome to Boot Camp, soldier. In this tutorial, you will learn how to control infantry, the most common and important type of unit in the battlefield.
About time! Park the truck and unload.
During a cutscene, you cannot control your units. Some cutscenes, like this one, can be skipped. To do so, press the Continue button on the top right corner.
Soldaten, welcome to the Ostfront. You are now in the front line. If you want to remain in one piece, you will follow all my orders to the letter. The first thing you need to know as infantryman is to always seek cover. In the open, you are vulnerable. Cover improves your survivability and your aim. Now, take cover behind the sandbags.
To move your soldier, select him and right-click on the destination. A double-click will make him sprint until his stamina runs out. If you move your cursor close onto objects, it will prompt the soldier to take cover, previewing a silhouette. Now, make your soldier take cover with the rest of the men.
Yeah.
Well done. You should always move your troops from one cover to the next.
We seem to be clear. MG Team 1, stay here. Everyone else, forward. Take position on the stone fence. Los geht's!
You must be aware of your mission objectives. You can always open your mission tasks with the hotkey O.
Rücken wir aus? Kameraden, ausrücken! The Bolsheviks will be coming down that road any minute now. We will ambush them. Soldaten, get ready! Jawohl!
Ja? Volltreffer!
Was sollen wir tun?
Nicht zurückweichen!
Alright, I can see the Evans. Hold your fire until they are in front of us.
Wir sind in der Überzahl!
Sie sind uns unterlegen.
Now give them hell!
Bleibt in Schussposition.
Für den ist der Gegner vorbei!
Very good. You have achieved your first kills. The more kills you achieve, the higher your veterancy. You will improve your shooting and survival skills. Our neighboring squad has found pockets of resistance up ahead. There is an MG pinning our boys down. We are behind them. I need you to get close and throw a grenade on that MG nest.
Approach the MG nest carefully from behind. Move from one bush or cover to the next. A prone soldier will be harder to spot. When the MG nest is taken out, the rest of the squad will assist you in taking out the remaining Soviets.
Was sollen wir tun? Zu Befehl!
Well done, men! Finish these Evans off!
Quite often, you will need to get rid of remaining enemies to proceed with the next stages of a mission. Keep an eye out for enemies who may be concealed in the fog of war, for example, hiding in trenches.
Befehle?
Hurra, товарищи! Wir müssen das Gebiet verteidigen!
Jawohl!
Weiter feuern.
Da kommen noch mehr! Vorwärts!
Gebt euch den Schussposition!
Sucht euch Deckung! Los runter, Leute! Deckung!
Look at that! The Evans have unwittingly brought us a truck. Go and look if it has any weaponry we can loot.
Select your soldier and press X or click the examine icon. When you hover over the vehicle, the cursor will change to an eye. Transfer any AT grenades from the inventory of the truck to your soldier's inventory.
Wann geht's endlich los? Begebe mich in Deckung! Schnell in Deckung!
Begebe mich in Deckung! Haltet das
Deckung!
Gebiet!
Deckung!
In Schutz! Schnell!
Begebe mich in Deckung!
Wir müssen
Was sollen
das
wir
Gebiet
tun?
verteidigen!
Nicht
Los,
runter,
Deckung!
Leute! Kameraden! Verstanden!
Infantry can move in any terrain. Vehicles, especially wheeled vehicles, must use roads to travel at maximum speed, which makes them easy to ambush.
Damn it! There's a Soviet tank ambushing us from the other side of the fog. Get behind it and destroy it with the AT grenades that you have acquired.
Buildings and other objects block the line of sight of units. You can see the enemy tank because other friendly units are actively fighting it, but no enemy unit is currently able to see your soldier. Because of this, you can easily flank the enemy tank without being detected.
Alles klar!
Good job. Blown to smithereens. Now, finish off the remaining infantry.
Begebt euch in Schussposition!
Wir müssen die Stellung halten! Wir brauchen einen Sanitäter!
Das Gebiet verteidigen! Die Stellung wird gehalten! Ist das klar? Bleib in Deckung! In Schussposition bleiben!
Begebe mich in Deckung!
In Deckung!
Verteidigen! Stellung
Granate
halten!
raus!
Haltet das Gebiet!
Sucht die Deckung!
Begebt euch in Schussposition!
In Schussposition bleiben! Deckung! Deckung! Stellung halten! Begebe mich in Deckung! Gehalten! Ist das klar? Schnell! In Deckung! Sucht euch Deckung!
Sanitäter!
Haltet das Gebiet! Da vorne! Haltet euch bereit!
Jetzt! Feuer eröffnen!
Драпают, сволочи!
Begebe mich in Deckung! Luda! Kopf runter!
Deckung!
Enemy armored car coming down the road. Fortunately, we are prepared for this. Take command of the AT riflemen and turn that armored car into Swiss cheese.
Jawohl!
Well done, men. You have completed my instructions to the letter.
Was sollen wir tun? Verstanden!
Panzer einsatzbereit. Verstanden. Panzer erwartet Ihre Befehle.
Ich brauche einen Sanitäter.